Are you ready to take your decision-making skills to the next level? Today, we're diving into mastering the art of decision-making, essential strategies for entrepreneurial success. Whether you're making big-picture strategic choices or handling daily operations, effective decision-making is key to steering your business towards success. Stick around to the end to learn how to make decisions that lead to growth and resilience. And as you watch, drop a comment about the most challenging decision you're currently facing. Let's see how we can help each other out. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Millionaire Lux Room, where we help you achieve financial freedom, cultivate a wealth mindset, embrace entrepreneurship, and find daily inspiration and motivation. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're talking about one of the most critical skills for entrepreneurs: decision-making. Entrepreneurship is a world of constant decision-making. From big-picture strategic choices to daily operational decisions, the ability to make effective decisions is a critical skill that can shape the success of your business. In fact, let us know in the comments what decision-making challenge has been on your mind lately. Let's start with the significance of effective decision-making. The decisions you make determine the strategic direction of your business. Choosing the right path can lead to growth and profitability, while poor decisions can result in setbacks. Effective decision-making is the cornerstone of any successful venture. As we go through this, share in the comments one decision that has significantly impacted your business, for better or worse. Strategic direction is our first point. Every decision helps chart the course of your business. It's about choosing the right path, setting clear objectives, and staying aligned with your long-term vision. Aligning decisions with your vision isn't just about seeing the big picture. It's about making sure every step you take is moving you closer to your ultimate goal. Have you ever faced a decision where you weren't sure if it aligned with your vision? How did you handle it? Share your story in the comments. Our second point is resource allocation. Decisions about how you allocate resources, including time, money, and staffing, impact the efficiency and sustainability of your business. Resource allocation is more than just budgeting. It's about understanding where your investment will generate the highest returns. Prioritize high-impact areas, budget wisely, and invest in your team. What strategies have you found effective in making the most of your resources? Let's discuss in the comments. Your tips could help someone else. Risk management is our third point. Assessing and managing risks is essential for protecting your business. Every decision involves some level of risk, whether it's financial, operational, or reputational. The key is not to avoid risks, but to manage them effectively. Identify potential risks, evaluate the risk-reward ratio, and always have contingency plans. What risks are you currently navigating? Drop a comment so we can discuss strategies together. Perhaps someone else in the community has faced a similar situation and can offer advice. Now that we've covered why effective decision-making is important, let's dive into some strategies for making better decisions. Gather information is our first strategy. Ensure you have access to all relevant information before deciding. Research, analyze data, and consult experts when necessary. Information is power, but it's also essential to know how to filter through that information to find what's truly relevant. This will help you to make informed decisions, minimize risks, and maximize success. When gathering information, where do you go first? Are there specific tools or resources you rely on? Share them in the comments below. Your insights could be incredibly valuable to others. Our second strategy is to set clear goals. Define the goals and objectives your decision should achieve. Having clear criteria helps you evaluate options more effectively. Setting clear goals doesn't just streamline the decision-making process, it also ensures that everyone on your team is aligned and moving in the same direction. Be specific, align with your overall strategy, and establish criteria for success. What goals are driving your current decisions? Let's hear about them in the comments. Setting clear goals is easier said than done. What challenges do you face in this area? Consider alternatives is our third strategy. Don't settle for the first solution that comes to mind. Explore multiple alternatives and weigh their pros and cons. In the rush to find a solution, it's easy to latch onto the first viable option, but this can limit your potential for innovation. Brainstorm, evaluate options, and choose the best fit that aligns with your goals and resources. What alternative options have you explored in your decision-making? Let's discuss the pros and cons in the comments. Sometimes the most unconventional solutions can lead to the greatest successes. Our fourth strategy is to assess consequences. Think about the short-term and long-term consequences of your decision. How will they impact your business, customers, and stakeholders? It's crucial to think beyond the immediate effects and consider how your decisions will play out over time. Consider immediate effects, think long-term, and consider all stakeholders. What consequences have you had to weigh recently? Share your experiences below. Have you ever made a decision that seemed right in the short term but had unexpected long-term consequences? Trust your intuition is our fifth strategy. Gut feelings can be valuable. If something doesn't feel right, investigate further. Intuition often integrates your subconscious knowledge and wisdom. While data and analysis are critical, never underestimate the power of your instincts. Listen to your gut, validate with data, and reflect on past decisions. Do you trust your gut when making decisions? Tell us about a time when your intuition led you in the right or wrong direction. How do you balance intuition with logic in your decision-making process? Our sixth strategy is to involve others. Seek input from your team, advisors, or mentors. Different perspectives can lead to better decisions and a broader understanding of potential outcomes. Collaborative decision-making is powerful because it brings in diverse viewpoints and ideas that you might not have considered on your own. Gather diverse perspectives, encourage open discussion, and build consensus. How often do you involve others in your decision-making process? Let's talk about the value of collaboration in the comments. What's the best piece of advice you've received from involving others in your decision-making? Finally, manage emotions. Emotions can cloud judgment. While it's essential to consider feelings, strive for emotional balance and objectivity in decision-making. Emotions can be a double-edged sword. They can motivate you to take action, but also lead to impulsive decisions. Acknowledge your emotions, take a step back when needed, and seek a balanced perspective. How do you manage emotions during tough decisions? Share your tips and tricks in the comments. Have you ever made a decision based on emotions that you later regretted? Now that we've explored strategies for making effective decisions, let's talk about how to learn from the decisions you've made. Our first tip is to celebrate success. When a decision leads to success, celebrate the achievement and note what worked well. Celebrating success is more than just a morale booster. It's an opportunity to reflect on what went right and why. Acknowledge the achievement, share the success with your team, and document the process for future reference. What's a recent success you've celebrated? Share your win in the comments so we can celebrate with you. How do you ensure that your team learns from your successes? Our second tip is to analyze failures. If a decision doesn't yield the expected results, treat it as a learning opportunity. Analyzing failures is critical because it turns mistakes into valuable lessons. Analyze what went wrong and use the experience to improve future decisions. What's one lesson you've learned from a decision that didn't go as planned? Let's discuss it below and help each other grow. Have you ever made a decision that didn't work out, but later realized it was a stepping stone to something greater? Our third and final tip is to iterate and adapt. Entrepreneurship is about growth and adaptation. Continuously refine your decision-making process based on your experiences. Decision-making isn't a one-time event. It's a continuous process of learning, adapting, and growing. Regularly review your decisions, be open to change, and embrace a growth mindset. How has your decision-making process evolved over time? Share your journey in the comments. What changes have you made to your decision-making approach that have had a significant impact on your business? In conclusion, effective decision-making is an essential skill for entrepreneurs. It's a combination of data analysis, intuition, and experience. By embracing a thoughtful, well-informed approach to decision-making, you can steer your business towards success while learning and growing. Your decisions are the building blocks of your business. Make each one count. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to the Millionaire Lux Room for more insightful content. Let us know in the comments what was the toughest decision you've had to make in your business, and how did it turn out? Your experiences can inspire others. Also, tell us which strategy you're most excited to implement. Check out our latest video for even more tips and inspiration. Together, let's build a future where smart decision-making leads the way to success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.